Guys, I got my first client as a graphic designer in 1 month. First of all, when I actually got the idea to be a graphic designer, it came to me as a breeze. It came to me as something I just didn't really know what I was gonna do. I was like, where am I gonna put myself? I checked Facebook. There's lots of graphic designers there. They're talking every day. They're showing their content. I went to Instagram. I saw lots of graphic designers there. I was like, okay, I created a Facebook account. I created an Instagram account. I created a LinkedIn account, and I created a TikTok account. So these 4 accounts, you can actually follow my page as a graphic designer. And of course, I'm going to be giving you more tips. You comment down below. So one of the first things I did was set up my pages. So I set up my LinkedIn page. I did of course, I have more than one talent as a graphic designer. So I lent it all out. I optimized it, got a good picture, got a good background, put my LinkedIn, I put my portfolio there, put every other detail. I was posting every single day. I was connecting every single day. I was like, okay, today I've clicked about 50 people to connect with. And LinkedIn is actually even so different. Like, people will connect with you and be like, thanks for connecting. I was like, okay, sure. Okay. Do you understand? So it's actually so different. And even on Facebook, graphic designer guys were like adding friends to me, like connecting with me as well. It was really nice. And I even had to come as a backup plan to like really ask these graphic designers, like, how much is your work? Like, someone I was just like, okay, undercover, like, yeah. So they actually told me how much their work was. So I got to know how much the pricing was. And before you know it, I just got a message from someone, and the person was like, oh, like, I would like to have a call with you. Do you do adverts, please? And first of all, I didn't even know what that meant, because it's not like, are you a graphic designer? I need designs, because that's not how the person even came with that. The person came like, okay, do you do adverts, please? I would like to talk about adverts with you. And I was like, adverts, like, what's that? Okay, just be open to it, just accept it. I was like, yeah, I do adverts. And the person sent a video, and I saw the video, and I was like, oh, okay, I do that. And I replied, right? And the person gave me a contract. Okay, do this 3 videos. I just packaged my stuff. Like, I saw how the thing in the LinkedIn and proposals and invoices and stuff like that. So I sent everything, and the person reached out to me back. And honestly, the first video I did wasn't so bad. I had experience with affiliate marketing, faceless marketing, putting videos together, putting words together and everything. So it was actually very easy. Then honestly, the next time, the client actually became a returning client. So yes, you can actually clap for that. Yes, that's actually really good. So, and on the next time, I will actually became even more better. But trust me, guys, I didn't just become a graphic designer with just like the usual Canva, the usual CapCut. No, I actually have CapCut Pro and Canva Pro. So if you want access to these Canva Pro and CapCut Pro, guys, it's free. It's not super expensive. 16,000, the usual price they normally pay every month. So comment down below if you need it, and the link is down below as well. Yes, so for live. So make sure you can't get it down below, because that is what was so easy. The templates are endless, the links are endless. I can do endless things. It was just amazing. Yes, CapCut Pro for life. So yeah, and Canva Pro for life. So now make sure you get the Canva and CapCut Pro for life. Make sure you access it in my link down below. So yeah, it was mind-blowing to actually get. It was really, 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 really surprising to me. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe for more, because I'm going to be dropping more story time and more content. Yes, and how to actually make yourself like a pro if you're just a beginner. Yeah, I'll package yourself like a pro, because we are one. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.